But the last thing we want you to do is think that you have to wait until that appointment if something comes up.
About the only thing that could happen would be police or FBI coming to talk to me for some reason again, because that scared the, you know.
Oh, I'm sure it did.
Especially because the FBI is
and it's that. I guess that's the thing that angers me more than anything else. It's because they expected you to lay down and take this, and because you didn't, then they go out of their way to intimidate you.
Right.
This message is from Michael Lake. This is Beth Marks of the Wood County Public Defenders. I'm calling to let you know you missed your court date yesterday at the Bowling Green Municipal Court. The court did issue a bench warrant but stayed it till Monday, so we need to get you into court, or they'll have a warrant for your arrest.
Anybody knew how many years public defender Mercy has been working here?
How many years?
Yeah.
Long time.
Okay.
Why?
Well, I was afraid of that because of something my roommate said and something that I felt and thought, but I wasn't certain of. Even she might be called as a witness, which would...
Well, that would present a problem. Right, well, I will certainly let her know that you stopped by, and I'll let her know, that you want her to step down.
Okay.
As your attorney, okay?
Okay.
And you don't need to contact her.
I won't.
No. She'll file the motion, and we'll either send you a letter, or the court will notify you and let you know who your new attorney is.
Yeah, I'll say because how I feel, it's probably best not even contact her anyway, because I'd probably say something stupid, something that might even hurt her feelings. You mentioned noticing that my public defender appeared to be the lady from years ago.
Yeah. I noticed her right away, and it seems to me either she was pregnant back then too, or she's pregnant again, or what, but I noticed her from before, yes, definitely.
Okay.
She doesn't know how to take care of you, I know that.
Yeah.
Not the right way.
My wife's a lawyer. I know these things. So you can't be seen, especially this close to election, be heavy-handed unless you go out of your way to stick a finger in their eye. Handle your business and stay low-key. Now, if you choose not to do that, that's okay, but I'm just saying, they don't come back to us and say, you got him locked up. I'm saying, because I will remind you of this conversation, because, we've done this stuff, and I'm saying, you need to keep low-key. Now, this is America. You have a right to be out there and to picket and do anything you want. What the question is it worth it for you to do that? Because there's a lot of stuff happening between now and election. And if it's important for you to be out there, to be seen, to be with the group and all that good stuff, that's fine. But you understand you're a marked person.
Have you talked to the prosecutor's office as well?
I guess I could try going over there and ask them about it, at least the secretary, but what's happening.
If they're prosecuting you for
Yeah. Think they'd be brave enough to ask the prosecutor's office?
the prosecutor's office.
Right here. And we're here. Got you listed. Yes. Now, it's an interesting thing to be asking. This clerk of court's asking about stuff, because I believe I have valid criminal complaints to be given to either police or prosecutors, but I'm currently being prosecuted, and there's an issue with police where they don't want me to contact them. About getting somebody to look at my complaints honestly and talk to me before all the witnesses get hazy and all the evidence gets lost and so forth. Because it's not really fair that I'm being denied the right to make a criminal complaint the way I should be able to.
Mr. Lake?
Yes?
Okay, what complaints do you want to make?
I'm sorry.
Because then what I want to do is I want to appoint a special prosecutor to talk to you.
But I'm afraid this isn't good. I need to leave. I'm sorry.
Okay. I really do. I want somebody to talk to you about it.
Okay, I'm willing to write. I mean, I can't.
I'm sorry, I didn't know who that was.
Oh, that was Reger?
Yeah.
I thought it was Reger.
I'm
The trouble is,
because
because he started asking me, he said, well, what's going on? And then when I said something about Bowling Green JC, some Reger, he said, well, that's who I am, Reger.
Well, and it was inappropriate really for him to even come and speak to me like that.
Well,
I'm just saying it's
I'm
not
sorry.
your fault.
I'm sorry. I didn't know who it was.
That's okay, because this has all been...
What?
This has all
I
been...
didn't say too much.
No.
I just said about the FBI coming and yelling at you. Because this has nothing to do with the FBI.
Oh, it sure as hell does have something to do with the FBI.
Did you notice him over in the room, in that first room over here?
No. Oh, was he in there when I was asking clerks to court?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Well, who are we talking about here? Well, past issues have kind of changed. So the people you mentioned on here, they say they were your friends? At one point in time they did. Or at least a co-worker was telling me that they're all my friends and I trust them and be open with them and so forth and so on. All I wanted people to do was just tell me I wasn't crazy that a lot of this stuff happened. Do you think anyone called you crazy? I don't think that they did. They actually did it right to me. I have a social worker who told me at the VA that yes, I admitted to a felony based on what he saw. And there are things even recently scare the hell out of me. I never knew that I was submitting to a felony. If I had understood these things, I wouldn't have done it. Why did they do it to me?
And do you have any felonies?
No.
How many misdemeanors?
I guess I might have one because of stalking charges that I plea bargained a long time ago.
Stalking a felon.
Mr. Lake, this is Matthew Reger calling you. The reason I'm calling you is that members of the JC, I think the thing that they want to express to you is that you are not woke. I think the best thing to do is to direct your call back.
Which county sheriff's office?
A couple of people, I believe, are accessories and current charges against me for inducing panic. It's actually involving Bowling Green police, but because they're involved, the court said I can't have any contact with them.
Okay, if it's something that's occurring in Bowling Green, that's where you need to make your complaint at.
Because a lot of people look at stuff that way. Once you have a bad slate as far as what they're concerned, it doesn't matter if all the evidence in the world shows that they're wrong. That's the way they're going to keep thinking of you, a lot of people. I can understand, it doesn't mean it's right on the one side, but I can understand the wisdom of it too, because there's times it's just not worth dealing with people like that either.
And I would hope that with your appointment on the VA on the 22nd, you can have an actual opportunity to discuss this with them so you can start getting treatment. And if it is Asperger's, so you can start getting
better help
for the Asperger's, because it's no fun to always feel like you have to go somewhere and start with a clean slate.
I think that once the name Asperger is given to them, it will change the learning.
That isn't it. I have a communication problem. That's the real issue.
That is true.
And even with counseling, it's a problem. And I feel like I'm beating my head in the wall trying to explain it.
And that stuff that I read before I came here mentioned paranoia.
Yeah.
If you're paranoid with good reason.